If you're hunting for a budget-friendly graphics card that punches above its weight, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 6400 low-profile 4G is worth a close look. Powered by AMD's RDNA 2 architecture and equipped with 4 GB of GDDR6 memory, this card brings impressive gaming performance to compact builds and smaller cases. This card features a low-profile design that fits easily into slim desktops. It supports PCIe 4.0 and includes one HDMI 2.1 port plus a DisplayPort 1.4, giving you flexible options for connecting modern monitors. Whether you're upgrading an older system or building a budget rig, it delivers solid frame rates on popular titles. One standout benefit is how well it handles demanding games. Paired with an AMD Ryzen processor, it leverages AMD Smart Access Memory technology to boost performance further. Even on motherboards limited to PCIe 2.0, users report smooth gameplay, hitting consistent 60+ FPS in graphically intense games like Overwatch and Star Wars, Battlefront 2. What changes with this upgrade? You get a reliable graphics card that doesn't overheat or throttle under pressure. The RX 6400's efficient architecture means it stays cool and quiet, making it ideal for everyday gaming without the bulk or noise of larger cards. Plus, its 4 GB GDDR6 memory ensures textures and details stay crisp. Why does this matter? If you're on a budget but want a noticeable boost in gaming performance, this card delivers without forcing a costly full system overhaul. It's a smart choice for gamers who want to squeeze more life out of their current setup without compromise. If that's you, this card deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's easy to install, compatible with a wide range of systems, and brings new energy to older PCs. The balance of price, performance, and size makes it a practical upgrade for casual and competitive gamers alike. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss solution that handles today's games smoothly without demanding the latest hardware. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 6400 low-profile 4G proves you don't need to spend over $1,000 to enjoy solid frame rates and good graphics quality. Try it when you're ready to step up your gaming experience without breaking the bank. This graphics card delivers on its promises, offering a clear performance boost and reliable features that keep your system running cool and efficient.